Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews that make beauty choices easier. Today, we're exploring the Comfort Zone De-Stress Hydrating Environmental Stress Recovery Biocellulose Sheet Mask. If you're someone who feels like your skin is constantly battling stress, pollution, or environmental factors, this might just be your next go-to product. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty insights. Now let's see if this mask lives up to its promises. The Comfort Zone De-Stress Hydrating Mask is designed to combat the effects of environmental stress, offering a soothing, detoxifying experience that helps replenish and hydrate the skin. This single-use sheet mask is infused with Aloe Vera and Calendula, two powerhouse ingredients known for their soothing and hydrating properties. It's free from artificial colors, mineral oils, and silicones, which is a big win for those conscious of what's touching their skin. But does it really work as promised? Let's find out. I've had the chance to test this mask under different conditions, and I can confidently say that it's a treat for the skin. The first thing I noticed was the refreshing aloe vera scent. It's light, calming, and not overwhelming at all, which is perfect for those with sensitive noses. The biocellulose material of the mask itself is a game changer. It's thin, yet it adheres perfectly to the skin, providing a comfortable and cooling sensation that instantly felt like a relief. Using the mask was easy, and I loved how snugly it fit to my face. No sliding around here. I left it on for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes, and during that time, I could feel the hydration setting in. When I removed it, my skin felt noticeably more hydrated, smoother, and looked refreshed. The redness I often get from environmental stressors was visibly reduced, and my skin felt plump and dewy. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros? The hydration was on point. This mask delivered exactly what it promised, a boost of moisture and a calming effect. The biocellulose material was gentle yet effective, and the mask fit my face like a glove, which isn't always the case with some sheet masks. I also appreciate that it's free of harsh chemicals, making it ideal for sensitive skin. On the flip side, the only downside is that it's a single-use mask. While it's great for a quick self-care session, it may not be the most economical for regular use. If you're on the lookout for a long-term solution, you might need to find a more cost-effective alternative. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a bit of a splurge, but if you're someone who values quality ingredients and effective results, it might be worth it. It's the kind of product I'd keep in my beauty routine for a weekly pick-me-up or for special occasions when I need my skin to look its best. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are a few other hydrating masks out there, but they may not have the same high-end ingredients like aloe and calendula. For example, the Garnier Skin Active Hydrating Sheet Mask is a great budget option, though it doesn't quite offer the same calming properties of this Comfort Zone mask. In terms of build quality, the biocellulose material was impressive, and it's clear that the mask is designed with attention to detail. It's sturdy enough to stay in place, and the packaging is sleek, making it feel like a luxury experience. The mask itself is perfect for anyone dealing with skin that's been stressed by environmental factors. Whether it's pollution, UV exposure, or simply the hustle and bustle of daily life, this mask helps restore a sense of calm to your skin. So, does it live up to the claims? Absolutely. The Comfort Zone De-Stress Hydrating Mask is a great way to recharge your skin, particularly for those of us dealing with the daily grind and environmental stressors. If you want to pamper your skin and give it some much-needed TLC, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested, the link to purchase the Comfort Zone mask is in the description box or comments below. And if you've already tried it, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. I love hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.